So I was explaining you about this timesheet option. So here you have to select your employee. You need to put how much hours this employee has spent on your customer, or maybe if you are doing any project or any activity, that you can put here and just click on save option. So you will get report as well. I will show you reports as well for this employee module. Then we have expense claim and expense claim process. In case if your employee is spending amount, if he is paying for any expense due to office, in that case you have to reimburse that amount later on. So from this expense claim option, your employee can put what expense he has incurred. So you have to put your employee name, then you have to select expense, what expense he is incurring. So right now we have created traveling. If you want, you can click on plus button and you can create new one. Let's suppose for canteen expenses, so I have put canteen expense here. Let's say under ledger I will put canteen expense only. You can select, you according to your uh, business, you can create what expense are generally there for employees, which you have to reimburse. So let's suppose I have put canteen expense, amount is 500, and just click on save option. You can save here. So this voucher has to be put by your employee, then you have to reimburse it later on. So you'll go to expense claim process option. You have to select whether you want to see cleared ones or you want to see pending ones. Then you have to select claim number. Here I have selected claim number and click on OK. So once you click on OK, it will automatically fetch all the details. Process date, on which date you are reimbursing the amount, that date you have to put. Amount 500, how much amount you are approving. Let's suppose you have allowed only 200, but this employee has spent 500. So what will happen, because you have approved only 200 in your books of accounts, only transaction will be done only for 200. Rest of the 300 amount will be considered as this employee's personal expense. That's it. Now you have to select how you are paying the amount, by cash or by bank. You just need to select from here. If it is through check or something, you can put check number here and click on save option. In your IDs, don't create this voucher for trial purpose, because otherwise you will not be able to delete this option. So that's the reason. Don't create expense claim process voucher for trial purpose. If you want to put it actually, then only use this option, otherwise not. Then in payroll, we have salary appraisal. In case you are increasing your employee's salary, that you can do from salary appraisal option. You have to select from which date new salary will be applicable. So let's suppose I've selected 1st October and click on display. So it will show you employee, and you have to put how much amount you are increasing. Let's say I put 15,000 here. So what will happen? Accordingly, it will adjust ESI and PF as well if you have enabled it. So you just have to put how much is the increase in the salary and just click on save. So from the 1st October, it will start taking salary as 15,000 instead of 10,000. So this was about salary appraisal. If your employee is leaving the organization, then you have to click on end of service and you need to select from here your employee's name, means employee, you have to select reason for leaving, date of resignation, relieving date, which is the date of relieving, and you have to click on save. If you click on print option, then you can give the print for relieving date as well. Let's suppose I put here you can select format from here. So you can give a relieving letter to your employee. And similarly, if you are creating your employee and you want to generate a job offer letter, that just click on print option and you will get job offer letter over there also. So it will be like this. You can check at your end. So this was about employee module. And if I go to reports and I click on all reports, then more reports, here you can see we have employee related reports like attendance register, attendance for the day, employee salary structure, salary sheet, all these details will be there. Leave register, leave trial, how much leave is pending. So all these reports you can check from here. Let's suppose I show you salary sheet for the month. So it will show you how much is the salary for this employee, how much paid days are there, how many paid days are there, how much is the amount. So all these details will be there. So this was about your employee module, and I think that is enough for today because employee module is very big module. So you have to practice this at your end, and then we can go for asset module tomorrow and the rest of the points. Otherwise this session will get very long. So and you will get confused because asset module is also very big. So that's why if you have any query or something, you can put that in chat box. If you have any query, you can put there in chat box. Okay, I think there is no doubt. So basically, if you have any queries or something, you can put support ticket for that as well. I'm repeating this in every session, and in case you have missed this, you can check the videos, or else you can call on our support number. And one more call on our support number, then you can arrange the session. And last thing, as you're going to have one-to-one session as well. For that also, keep your queries ready, and in that QA session, we are going to take your queries. So just prepare that as well, because after this we have only one level left, and then your training will be completed. So thank you very much for giving your time for joining this session. Thank you.